We are now going to see several functionalities related to the RFQ management. On the RFQ tab in the dashboard menu, we can see all the RFQs sorted by status. If we click, for instance, on expired RFQs, all our expired RFQs are sorted by chronological order. If we're looking at reference, for instance, 615818, we can see the RFQ title. Next to it, there's an information button to see who read, quoted, or did not read the RFQ. Below, we can see the start date and date of the RFQ. And on the right, we have buttons to access, first of all, the quote comparison. Next to it, we have the possibility to create a reverse auction from the RFQ, to copy the RFQ, modify it, or change the closing date. We have the quotes received and the message received on the left. 3 messages were read, and on the right, we can see 2 unread messages indicated by an envelope with a red dot. Now if we click on the RFQ title, as you see, it will display all the information on the RFQ, such as, first of all, the distribution list, the suppliers who received the RFQ, the possibility to send a message to all these suppliers. We can also transfer the RFQ into another buyer, another user in our company. We choose him, we click on validate. We can also share the RFQ with other buyers or add a note on the RFQs that will be seen by all the buyers who can access it. If we go down, we can see the items in the RFQs, overlined in blue, the item displayed on the screen. On top, we have the general file who were attached to the RFQ. And we can see also now that we have the possibility to put a target price on the RFQ or to put a current value. This will be very helpful to compare the quotes received on the RFQ. We can also put an offline quote, award the RFQ, close it, or create a reverse auction with another button. If we go into the messages section, we can see that we can view the messages by type of message or by supplier. In the received messages, there is the sent messages. Received messages, we have the message we received with 300 messages. The open envelope indicates the message has been read. The closed envelope means we haven't read the message from the supplier yet. We again have buttons to access the quote comparison, the information of the RFQ, the history of the messages, the dates of the RFQ. To end, we have a button to calculate the savings. These are the main features for the RFQ management.